I'm going to go out on a limb and say that if you're watching this video, you probably want your views to go up and you don't want your views to go down. Now, if that's not true, let me know. But probably everybody who's interested in YouTube and YouTube growth wants their views to go up. And I'm going to tell you one way that I know doesn't work. And I know this doesn't work from experience. I've been trying on this channel for many months now, but especially since the beginning of the year to grow this channel. I've been posting every single day. I don't know if you noticed that or not, but I was posting at first 3-minute videos every single day, and then I changed that to 8-minute videos every single day. And I learned a lot in the process. Most of all, I learned what doesn't work. Here's what they say. Just post long videos every day and you're going to blow up. And this is advice that a lot of people give lately, and it just flat out doesn't work.
Because here's what I've learned. Even if you post every single day and you're posting consistently over and over and over again, if all of these videos do bad and none of them get taken off and none of them are any good because nobody cares to watch them and nobody cares to share them, nobody cares to, watch the whole thing through, even if you post so many videos over and over and over again, if none of them get views, then your channel isn't going to grow.
And I've come to learn that it's just bad advice. And it makes sense that it's bad advice too. Like if you just post long videos, for example, if you just go outside and start talking and say you stand there and talk for a long time, you're not going to get an audience. Sure, a couple people might stop by just for a minute to see what you're talking about, but they'll move along. They're going to leave. If you want to build a sustainable audience, a group of true fans that actually long for your videos, you can't just post a lot. You have to post something of substance. So the advice that doesn't work is just post every day or just post long videos every day. Now, I think we can tweak that slightly and make it actually good advice. We're going to change this from just post long videos to just post good videos.
And I see this very clearly in my analytics. Before I started this experiment of posting every single day, longer videos every day, my channel wasn't taking off, but it was doing okay. I was putting a lot of effort into each video, and some of those videos did fairly well. But since making it my goal just to post every single day, my videos haven't gone up, they've actually gone down. And even though my watch hours have gone up a little bit, the amount of time that I was putting into it, posting every single day, just wasn't worth it. But if you post a few good, high-quality videos, those are the ones that are going to do well. It's far better to put your effort into fewer videos, good videos, videos that you're proud of, rather than just shouting all day long and hoping that somebody listens.
Now, the frequency, that's up to you. If you can post good videos every day, go for it. I mean, that would give you more chances to do well with your audience. But if you can only post a good video once a week, then commit to posting that good video once a week. You're going to have much higher chances of pleasing your audience and therefore pleasing the algorithm if you post good videos rather than just more videos more often. Because here's the thing, you can shout all you want from the rooftops, but unless you have good information, nobody's going to listen. And in all honesty, I got sucked into it. I saw these several channels who were posting long videos and they didn't seem to have a lot going for them in terms of the quality, but really when you start analyzing what they're saying and who they're saying it to, they've actually hit a niche. They've hit a niche of people who want to get rich quick and they don't want to put a lot of time into it. So their message, for whatever reason, has been the exact thing that their audience needed to hear. But that doesn't mean that just taking their advice is going to work for you, because it worked for you because you're their audience. But if you're trying to reach a different audience, then it's not necessarily going to work for you also. So this is what I learned. Don't just try to do the easy thing and do it often. Do something that's a little bit harder that other people aren't doing. And that's how you're going to see significant growth on YouTube. Now, take all of this with a huge grain of salt, because I'm not an expert. I haven't achieved this just yet. I'm just learning things along the way. And I'm glad to share with you what I'm learning along the way, because, hey, if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.